Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Here's a little exercise that you might learn a few tips on. So we're going to take this photograph of a sidewalk sign and change the sign to read epilogue later sold inside. So let's just get rid of that one, or not, let's just move it out of the way. And this is how I would do it. You're going to take a rectangle and get it kind of the same shape as that size. Let's zoom in here. Let's make it red so we can see a little bit better. Let's go to Object Perspective and add perspective. And then just move your corner nodes of this perspective. It'd be helpful if you zoom in. I'm using the shape tool because you want to get all the kind of the blurry black out of the way. And what's so neat about this, you can just do one corner node at a time. That's good enough. Now what we can do is nudge that out of the way. Let's nudge this a little further out of the way. And we're going to take and make a duplicate of that and nudge. And remember, I'm nudging and not moving. So I'm going to make that black, so that way when we put it back on the board, our board is blank. Now we're going to take this one, we can actually nudge a little closer, and we're going to take this one and go up to, you don't have to do this, but it'd be a lot easier to go to Effects and Contour. Contour to the inside, 0.0 or 0.2 or whatever. You don't even have to break the contour apart, because what we're going to use those interior contour lines as, you know, just as a reference point. I'm going to put them center justified, and then I'm going to get them into my board. And there's really not enough wordage. We'll stretch it out a little bit. Now grab the perspective tool again, which is under Object Perspective. And we're using these inside lines to, just so we'll have a little offset. Now this is going to kind of look funny because I really don't have enough wordage to do it. Then you've got that, and see it's inside the red line. Go ahead and make them white, and then cursor them over to your new board. And voila, you have a sidewalk sign that would read whatever you wanted to read. The perspective tool is pretty cool. I can't remember what year it came out or what version. You could do the same thing with the envelope tool though, if you don't have the perspective tool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.